how to create Xero account. So if you want to create a Xero account, then first of all you need to open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Xero. And after searching here, you will have this Xero on the first search, right? You can click on that, which is www.xero.com, and it will take you to the website. So now you can go for try Xero for free, which is on the upper right. And from here you can create your account. So you'll have two steps. One is to sign up to your account and the other one is to confirm. So first enter your first name on the first blank and then your last name on the next blank. And here on the third blank you have to enter your email address. And then here you have to enter your phone number. And after entering your phone number, here you have to choose a location. And after that, click here so that you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can verify. And after that, click on confirmation, which is here. And this is the second step. Here you have to verify your account. So to verify, you have to click on the link in the email to verify your account. So what you can do is open up your mail, and here you will get the mail from Xero. So what you can do is, yes, it's me. Let's get started. Click on that. And then you have to create a password. So to activate your account, you have to create a password. Your password needs to contain at least 8 characters, including 1 or more numbers. And after entering that, click on activate your account. So that's it. That's how you create your account. And now you can add your business on your Xero account. So that's it. That's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.